Alright, so we're going to go through this problem to solve for x. Now, when you have a number outside of parentheses, it means you must distribute it through. So I'm going to rewrite the 5, I'm going to rewrite the 3x in the equals, but 2 times 3, well that's positive 6. 2 times 4x is positive 8x. So let's combine similar terms. These terms are similar, so we have 3x is equal to 11 plus 8x. Well, let's subtract 8x, so the x's can be on one side of the equal sign. So 3x minus 8x is 5x. That's a negative, is equal to 11. Divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. And I have x is equal to negative 11 fifths. In our second problem, we have a much longer problem. But do we? Not really. Oh, it's a little bit longer. But again, the process is the same. That 2 needs to be distributed. So we get 6 plus 8x plus 5 is equal to, and we've done nothing with this. So then, let's combine the similar terms. So we have 11 plus 8x is equal to 10 plus 3x. Let's subtract 3x, subtract 3x. So we get 10 is equal to 11 plus 5x minus 11 minus 11. And so I get negative 1 is equal to 5x divided by 5 divided by 5. So I get x is equal to negative 1 fifth. Now for the next two feats of mathematical. There you go.
I'm almost done.
Yeah, oh, I know, your house looks beautiful. Anya's making a house. You can see it when you come to class. So the process doesn't change here. The only difference is now we're distributing a negative. So yes, that negative sign needs to be included in the negative 2. So negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. I'm going to write the 5 before I forget about it. Negative 2 times 4x is negative 8x. So let's combine these together. So I got 3x is equal to negative 1 minus 8x. So then let's add 8x plus 8x. So I get 11x is equal to negative 1 divided by 11 divided by 11, and x is equal to negative 111. And for the last problem, it's sort of the problem 2 combined with problem 3. We still have this negative 2, and gratefully it's the same thing that we did before. So we know that all of this is going to be applicable to this side over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and write negative 1 minus 8x, because I know that this distribution will net me that. But now I also have to multiply that 3 through, so I get 7 plus 3 minus 3x. So then add those. 10 minus 3x is equal to negative 1 minus 8x. So then let's add 3x plus 3x. So we get 10 is equal to negative 1. Oh my goodness gracious. I missed something, didn't I? This is why you should always look through the problems. That's a negative, right? So negative 2 times a negative 4x is a positive 8x. Oh.
Alright, go home.
It's a good example of why you should always go through the problem instead of taking shortcuts. So then 8x plus 3x is plus 11x. So plus 1, so I get 11 is equal to 11x. So divide by 11, and I get x is equal to 1.